Meet Dave. Dave runs a UK manufacturing company that designs, makes and sells stuff.
There's thousands of manufacturers just like his, who want to make better stuff, sell more and keep their business growing.
But the industry has changed, and customers expect smarter products that are better connected and designed more with them in mind.
So, to meet those demands, manufacturers need to look at new digital technologies.
But it's not easy. People like Dave are way too busy running their business to explore what's possible. On top of that, their digital skills are just not up to date.
There's a lot of help out there, but it's confusing, takes too long, and doesn't focus on what people like Dave really want, which is practical help in getting started.
That's why we created the Future of British Manufacturing initiative, a collaboration of industry leaders that helps your business identify and adopt new digital technologies.
Here's how it works. First, you'll get a digital strategy template to help you explore what your future might look like.
Next, you'll get a personalised report on how ready you are for that future by taking a simple online assessment.
You'll then be offered a manufacturing discovery meeting to identify what's holding you back.
Then, we'll arrange demonstrations of technologies that would help you move forwards.
And finally, we'll hook you up with student experts from leading design and manufacturing universities to help you adopt those new technologies.
Check out our website, which has lots of examples of companies just like Dave's.
Remember, it's free to join, so if you want to make better products, sell more, and keep your business growing, then sign up online, take the assessment, and start the journey to your future today.